Did you know, in China, people don't just cook with a pot, they sometimes carry it on their back? But why on earth would someone do that? Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only master the viral phrase "bei guo," but also use it like a native. Welcome back to 舌尖上的中文, where we make Chinese language and culture fun and digestible. Your team's project fails, but your boss blames only you. Congrats, you just bei guo le. Bei guo literally means carrying a pot on your back, but in slang, it means taking the blame for something, even if it's not your fault. It's like saying taking the fall or being the scapegoat in English. Different words, same pain. The phrase comes from martial arts novels. If a mission failed, the guilty party had to carry a heavy iron pot, public shame included. Imagine running through the streets with a massive pot on your back. Yeah, not fun. Your boss blames you unfairly? 跟他硬刚，这个锅我不背. This is not my fault. But wait, your boss might say, 那这是谁的锅? Then whose fault is it? This phrase casually asks who should take the blame, a super useful expression. And where there's bei guo, there's also shuai guo. Shuai guo means to pass the blame onto someone else, just like passing the buck in English. Example, a guy forgets his anniversary. 我以为你会提醒我，这不是我的锅. I thought you'd remind me. This isn't my fault.
你居然甩锅给我. You're shifting the blame onto me?
Key phrases to remember. Bei guo, take the blame unfairly. 谁的锅, whose fault is it? 甩锅, shifting the blame onto someone else. Fun variations. 人在家中躺，锅从天上来. Lying at home, but the pot falls from the sky. A funny way to say you got blamed for something completely unrelated to you. 我都背不动了. I can't carry the pot anymore. A humorous way of saying, I've been blamed too many times, and I just can't take it anymore. Final challenge. Now that you're a bei guo pro, can you guess what bei guo shat means? Drop your answers in the comments. Hero, victim, or something else? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun Chinese buzzwords. See you next time.